Okay, the given rational expression is 3x minus 15 over 2x minus 10. So to simplify the given expression, step 1, we need to factor the numerator and the denominator. Now, how to factor if the given is a binomial? Meron tayong dalawang choices sa factoring. Okay, first is yung the common monomial factor. Then yung pangalawa, difference of two squares. Tingnan muna natin yung madali. Si difference of two squares. Kailan natin ma-apply si difference of two squares? If both terms are perfect squared. Okay, the question is, si 15 ba ay perfect square? No. So therefore, hindi natin siya pwedeng gamitin. So sino ang gagamitin natin? Yung unang topic. The GCF. Very good. Okay, first get the GCF of the coefficient and the constant. So 3 and 15, what do you think is the GCF? Very good, 3. Okay, tingnan natin, may variable ba na binigay sa second term? Therefore, wala tayong variable na ilalagay sa ating GCF. Okay, next, after getting the GCF, next is get the remaining. How to get the remaining factor? Just divide the given by the GCF. This will become 3x minus 15 divided by 3. Okay, 3x divided by 3 or just simply cancel 3. Sino natira? Then minus 15 divided by 3. Okay, this is the remaining factor. O pag pinagsama yung dalawa, ano nang tawag dyan? Factored form. Okay, next. Same procedure tayo sa denominator. Step 1, get the GCF of the constant and the coefficient. What is the GCF of 2 and 10? 2. Next, get the GCF of the variable. The question is, may variable ba to? Wala. O, proceed na tayo sa GCF. Divide, or the remaining factor, divide the given by the GCF. So, cancel. Sino natira? Then, 10 divided by 2. Okay, sulat ulit. Then, after that, divide out or cancel out any common factor. The question is, how to cancel? Okay, the common factors. Pag sinabi natin common factors, ibig sabihin, parehas ng factor. Ang pwede lang natin i-cancel class, nomial to monomial, binomial to binomial, or trinomial to trinomial. Okay. Based on the given, may pwede ba tayong i-cancel? Sino po? Very good. Si x minus 5 at x minus 5. Bakit? Ilang terms to? 2 terms. Si x minus 5 din ay 2 terms. Parehas po ng variable? Parehas ng exponent? Parehas ng operation? Parehas ng constant? Then pwede natin siyang i-cancel. Si 3 at 2 ba pwede i-cancel? Okay, therefore, what is the answer? 3 over 2. Okay, ma'am, paano kung ang given ay x squared minus 5 over x minus 5? The question is, pwede ko bang i-cancel si negative 5? Bawal. Very good. Bakit? Kasi magkasama na yan. Binomial na ang tawag dyan. Kailangan, kung may square dito, makikita mo rin dito ang squared para pwede ko siyang i-cancel. Nagets po ba? Okay. Any question about simplifying? The given for number 6 is p minus 3 over 3p minus 9. So, to simplify the given rational expression, first, we need to factor the given numerator and denominator. Okay, do you think we can factor the numerator? So, what is the numerical coefficient here? Or the coefficient? 1. And this, the constant is 3. So, the only factors of 1 and 3 are what? 1. So, therefore, if the only factor is 1, we can say that the given is a prime. So, kapag prime to, automatic, hindi na siya kailangang i-factor. So, ang tawag doon, not factorable. What we're going to do is, we need to copy na lang yan. P minus 3. Sino na lang ay pa-factor natin? Si denominator. So, what is the coefficient here? 3. And the constant is 9. What do you think is the GCF of 3 and 9? 3. Very good. Then after that, may letter P ba dito? Okay, therefore, wala tayong variable sa GCF. So, after that, get the remaining factor. How to get the remaining factor? Divide the given by the GCF. Okay, cancel what? 3. Very good. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1 or just simply P na lang. Then, 9 divided by 3. Okay, then, observe the given. May pwede ba i-cancel? Okay, how many terms? 2 terms. And this is also parehas pa ng variable, parehas na exponent, parehas ng operation, parehas ng constant. Then we can cancel. Okay, the question is, may natira ba sa numerator? Kung wala, anong isusulat? Very good. 1 over 3. The answer is 1 over 3 or 1/3.